ebusian for my mama manyana akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH mesre o like comment subscribe and turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded to be notified. Ebusian for some time ago na ye papa penny ebia mumubi oya mubra penny and I say mumubi nso de oya mu age mate whichever it is no Kweku Bako eka sembi about eye NDC for Kweku Bako ka say NDC for no omuye nkrofort bet me from licensed provocateur license provocateur. Now, ebusian for people who heard a statement, a brand Kweku Bako makes a statement. Now they will feel say Kweku Bako was being unfair towards a NDC, and as I say my okaya and I say my day, right? And to assume but the idea biara since then I koso between the ways the way NDC for ese comportium ese carrium say no cre say these guys, this group of people we are indeed licensed provocateurs, right? Yes, you'll be a licensed provocateur. Say nipa no de or sorry de biana or felice or no now ope bia betimi aye right towards you. So it means that the person can get up and let's say for instance say I feel like slapping you, and because that person feels say it feels like slapping you no or who pena abawaso. That's how people like this, those group of people think, right? Say NDC ni feel say ye here new private jet scan ho ye go fast scan na yakoto. That is how they are. But the other aspect in it say once they are doing this they don't expect you to do same or retaliate. Na asem no ya no just say NDC ni hu a obetumi ahwe asum but unya ko shwi na sumpe na asem aba omunti ase da omunyanka ombo wasum na ka kire say me da ase na awko o jaje na omuba no omu wo ho a NDC for wo ho a kire say omu de omu hia new private jet omakoto. But the moment NPP for Bapena was on mine here private jet pay, Nantokwaba. Right? And that has been the modus operandi of Nyanuma on here NDC for. And this has been going on for several years. Imagine say time Kweku Bako ka same winning na BBC ikoso. Till enne ewo your generation we same thing also. And I can tell you say idea we no enya idea NPP NDC for best sign and some best China. But idea say say MPP nso no won say sankro for we no say na omutie no e say wo so wo develop a strategy, right? Omuye wa na so aye omubi. Sometimes no MPP for ye filima NDC for dodo. Ye filima omudodo. Because say ye wa ban ma ye jai NDC for ma omu eye running a lot of propaganda. NDC for no omu running a lot of propaganda. Say a national cathedral no cry woman no omu kan owako twantro na fe omu twantro ne wi a they don't expect say MPP no ye be reason with the people no ma sem private jet presidential jet no any good shape ma ye ka omu ntiasie no mako sem snit ye juma na o snit hotels no e kan kwa na omu bo the best in this say offloading those assets. Competitive tender echo so nipa Bako wini NDC for we can say penny adentia NPP ni na wini contract bid no. But bisa won say ene NDC for ababan mo den echo so. Omo say omko renovation Old Bank of Ghana. Nipa ben na wini contract no. None other than an appointee of John Mahama, a deputy chief of staff. Or no company, and a winning bid no. Ye ko kaya seme na catch there. Or see sir, or a deputy chief of staff and the companies no go ana. Son of beside. These are the licensed provocateurs, as Kweku Bako was saying. And the NDC for. I mean, my about why? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go and listen to this very, very interesting analysis by my brother Fantini Marcos. But before then, my fa konya when I'm in Damwasi say you are actually responding to my plight, to my request to help open a Ghana Sem studio. When I started making today's videos, okay, it was at 900 cities na yewo, but me catch them say 1,000. Now sana that cities no they call dollars man $90. But from that video, from those first 6 videos I've uploaded, I'm starting with new ones where I'm happy to announce 2 more people have sent their donations, and to say $180. $180. Eti maminda munyina ase how we are doing it. Total cost no $2,300. Total cost $2,300 because space no say floor in nyama light setup no, cameras ni, microphones ni, some other office stuff no, ni board kakra. Yes we the sika beka. Right? Yes we the sika beka. Even beyond that $2,300 because a born be Bruce Accra. But a year I deal with my NPP na ye. And yes say ye nya ebenya free. Si anka nya ebenya free ma. Anka ye jane say ya nya small coins na akpe baby ntina. Right? But party no so unim say na mo amu say na party na tie. Tinima bi say dey say mo amboa ya obi ane ho betimi amboa. See epa mucho mo amboa ya why. Wow, we attach na ba na screen ase no. Edamunyina ase. I'm shramo bebre mumboye. Now let's listen to this conversation. I'll see in the next one. Cheers.
Bekasa. Onfon de iobia itumi show ho do pa. Se entintim kakre bia NDC nti bakaka se bia ebe wi ase impede beka wo nyimpampom. Maka de hen papa Kweku Bako. Odumbiri bi no okan sembi osi NDC they are licensed provocateurs. Yeah, or you see them wording to describe even their topmost leaders. Na odu mbribia in human kano because
is the correct BB. I think it's a OC Dure. Also, Okoto 2020 Okoto Apple laptop for 14,000 Ghana cedis. This is not Apple laptop. This is a Lenovo laptop. And you 22,000. Please.
That is why sometimes you say you still have to restrain yourself. 2012
Lenovo laptop. 2020 not dollar rate here say. And that dollar rate no, according to NDC for almost here say. And they've gone to buy 22,220 million for one single laptop. We will talk about 50. How foolish can some of you be?
Nyabotena afina mete Ghana for ni biasipa. Senana do cry ne to ne 10 cedis a. Nkombe kase or ye wicked man, the more din.
Ah, yet
Mahama.
some judges who got laptop was here friendly Lenono. Back 12,400.
Mahama
And you are
told
foolishly in the comment section writing stupid comments.
a normal. Or say a normal. See, what they are yentio masiemra. I mean, yeah, no Marcus on to us.
Yeah, so that is why. So if you always want to expend your energies on such people, then the next thing is that you have to resort to a very harsh language. People sometimes don't expect from you. They know what you. They are licensed provocateurs. Nipa na wakasa no, oye nipa, but eboshum na nadwin no nye adwuma. Because yenjin tumpo de 2012 ekotai. Here is a situation. Government cannot even find money to pay cocoa farmers. Government cannot pay workers. You are here writing this thing. And so by writing this thing, I will watch you in sama that 2012, you a single person went to buy.
I said 2020.
So you are bringing it up for public discourse. Mono isn't it two human beings who gave birth to NDC supporters? Aden. Why are you doing this to Mother Ghana? Aden. To what extent can you people misbehave? You refuse to be a human being again because you are NDC. But kabino so na ye dibiso ye de ye pasero so that hiana kuma nkosoro bebre. I think could be one menya azekura motimande chechemere. I so far listening to people no minim that the best description somebody gave was there Sam George Nabeti White the Mayanka chopping board. But I didn't know that Sami Jenfi we kun consider Lufthansa when you fought to him like hey right yet in some more Dinaka woyi but you quite easy adekura mama me odu baby and ma relaxing there. I will quote Kweku Bako again. Kweku Bako kade these NDC guys, when they are in opposition, they speak like patriots or nationalists, only for them to come to power and live like Arabian kings. Uncle Kweku Bako told us that. He has stayed with them. He knows them. He knows their modus operandi. Now me, Adia, Mr. Mahama, why I am a dull krenye there. Mr. Mahama has been able to prove to those people at Wawa Ghana, genuinely, they felt like they were wise people by staying neutral and condoning his lies. Mr. Mahama proved actually they are very stupid. For the normal NDC supporter, they will come and defend because one no kosi and kosi, kwada and kwada. But Obia, Ghana ya bro. The first time in my life, I'm UCC graduate singing and dancing, sapr. I knew there was something amiss. University of Cape Coast graduate singing NDC song, sapr. Do you people know what you are calling for? NDC. Sapr, NDC. You people are desperate. More pojefu. Ghana mkweye na nakufado ambobwa. Inyoma papene ye ningina. It fell short of the expectation of reasonable Ghanaians. And the best alternative was Mr. Mahama. Kum NDC. Sapr, sakr. Nasende. Sami, you see, Sami Jamfi kitchen cabinet na kweke no. Oye James Bond kitchen cabinet. Waya me James Bond. Se ashe 007 da. Oni ne sophistication. Oni ne complication. Complicated items. I think the kitchen no. Waya my 007 James Bond. James Bond no be use the kitchen no. Because Ghana ni or bre. Mama yere for me na wakaya kitchen cabinet 7 billion. 3 billion. When you invite James Bond there, up scene be was our kitchen when if film smart Ghana you will baby or what we use because it fits his criteria of modern kitchen. Me odu damabria ye nyima ye beka biem na NDC supporters na Ghana fu binum na waka fa oda boto handle Masa Mahama from all intent and purpose ekwa inti hwe Archbishop na orokase bi there 2028 Ghana football show na wakwa akoto aba me NPP I beg to differ da menyam nya orokodi se ye nyam panyimfo a what politics na ase wonyim kasa etutu nyimpa na adwene da obekanyan ma na adwene gina ho na wadzendada ne ba obohu na se ha adwene nye de ye kwayi mpanyimfo biara na automatically Ghana football to abana eredada ho lununu na sero ekwa because conflict of interest owode ye mpanyimfo no what to watch Ghana for so why it is wrong. So for example, a conflict of interest arises in procurement where there is conflict between the interest of a person acting in relation to a procurement and those of the procurement itself. Ghana, you know, so it would take a leader, a representative of this party to explain it. Magana, you know what I see there. Yen tumun kotonam na yamfa nkɔhye jambo nansa inti sa tonama e jambo mba ho obebebo hwia nam no inti sa we yi wo mampanyin na wo iye adwuma wo mampanyin na office na wo pɛda wo de contract wo de ma man na o mampanyin no nkrɔfo na wo na office no ho ara so wo mba da wo be gye adwuma na ayɛ ɔyɛ korɔ no bɔ ɔyɛ wisam ihia panyin ma wachirem ma Ghana funa atase ye hia immumfo a wodi sika wodi twimpa na adwen de yentena ho na aba no NDC fo wobasesa ho adwen waboto amahe because Ghana ayedem sasa me dem fitina won all kire so no me de embra makwan de aban e ba hyew ho akohye dem akohye denimo na government contract etiba ma wa nkrofo a sami demfi because o kire ma Ghana fotase odu yen hedu no yenya emum nyimpa emum motena dem ala man kasa Ghana funa wo bete wa asam na ase what did the madi what the power why was Sami Demfi explain all of these things to Ghanaians? No about no ben only yebi because yenye mumufo they can explain the same scenario to the people. Of what relevance is the position if you can't work? On anybody. What is the relevance? In some rukodi sanye awo ekuwa na won kofi bi na ya jembe sister amamu nya wo ba ha na wachirem ye no papa bi na okase it has more kan asem ruk office na mo wor ka biara me yede me te nti sanye mo ye nya da made na wona na okasa magana funu te wona ama sankofu entu won hwensiwo na wonye da medwuma nya nyimpa mba wakaji position na wada wonye na mom yenkoto abe yemfa mo no wonto da the medwuma hwan obey hona no obey what position what the question pass osunu kokwa nansa okasai na osunu kokwa nansa odi post osinu kokwa nansa oye adwuma na osinu kokwa nansa oje no sika ekwa Ghana for bro Ghana for bre na so kasa na wode tunyimpa na adwene do mokotobonyi osore do lokwa akoye adwuma wode kasa na wode kanya nyimpa mo bia no wi aho onyanyi dadu de ade yenye na obeye. Inti Ghanaians may suffer. Ghanaians may go through a lot. But if we don't have capable men to reignite, to rejuvenate the power, the need to go and change government, we are not coming to power automatically. Abana Ayɛka to women anyone bill as NPP people. President, I pray he becomes the president. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, he cannot do all the communication and defend himself and attack at the same time. We need the cooperation of all, including our elected representatives. We need them more than ever. Because I may confuse or convince 10 people, but so be a nun now no de chirism or casa de mia, he may convince hundreds and hundreds of people. Yanson Sino Biara, if you shwe nimno, yenjai. You can't do the same thing and expect a different result. When yani babyara, wishes don't change anything, actions do. Minyancha onse so biara na brabo ti de toana man sayenya ye gitum da ye bre na mo rekodo ne yempa won kenya ne yen ho yen sesanyemam na yen from fresh energy, fresh ideas mbra, people who can explain what is happening in Ghana to us. We are complaining too much. Yes, the canteen ye di konsu no ron so abamahen. Politics. You don't learn. You act. You make mistakes. You correct yourself and you move on. On your remedial work. Now, better know the young child. Now, what your remedial for na capacity for continuing him. It may into me yet. My answer no biara. Women kakayan as NPP people. No more quadrin on yet. Ibrahim Mahama got top plane in Namgana ho. Yenya penny be among Kabi Bianchan. Na yam of family you go china yakasa no kwai. From Ghana for from penny no one or kabi. Of course I said in Katia. Oba kasa dam but the more that china because waka kanyen when they yam paying for no one cat. Assembly obotu waka chen he wakwa because yanka. If you hear do no, we carry and wash it. When who the Yemaya har as a party, Yemaya har Yemunya hara. Jacob Jabilam tell me what I said in get above an Jim or cover forms to the president. Above an Jim. Sir John more than Namwa. I said in get above cover forms. Nde a party like NPP. Party now perform out to form of Biarritetiado. We even speak as if the Samije for your authority in Ghana. Okaso obi antum obi in the Samije Mfiru Boko program NPP for waruko wechi because we don't have people who can meet him at that level. Yakwatu aba yen hwehwemi ye NPP, a party like NPP. You want to tell me that we don't have people? Yenyinyimpa. Ada ya kwa kayem yenya kwenshi oti dem no yansa so yenkwa nka ye biem how adenti eku amedibesi ham
Mr. Marcus Medasi na min show
Mr. Marcus
some day bebre no aka na de waka wie no ka me hu asama me nka nso so. As Mr. Marcus Kaino, I believe is self-explanatory. In Timpa, so may move you on to a Kobinoa, Bibacho Yanko. Kobi.
Okay, but you will drop in my Mesamba. So I'm out.
Achimejao. Okay, Kobe. What am I eating? Me the gari.
Remember, but you may send mine.
Okay, you must, Mr. Marcus. Kobe ni hono ma Wyclef. Wyclef.
Yeah.
The pastor young Hawaii na. Yeah, Jones.
See, Crawford we more. Some of us so unim omo foundation. Never need go high I'm just kicking your mind back to 2020, 2013, 14 or bad. See, Mahama is so corrupt Hama afino na ono ankasa. Semo de mbeka ya. Input ni ministers no team control biawo. Because no papa or no to or ni Ibrahim odi. Me say enti sometimes ya na bi o ha dream say niema ombe ni hu bi da na hu omsu bi da na emo and then they did to to PNDC NDC kwa ombe for man so ya ne niema ni time de better no they are so smart say omutimi ye was no de ne nsa ye ma mienu aye ma ne nai kra odi afefa bi e bi di bi anhye na fum awaye ma no ba obi